Hi everyone, I'm going to show you a really quick, easy way to make your own wall guides. This is from Shutterstock. So if you go to shutterstock.com and do a search on rooms, you'll see all kinds of great rooms that come up. You can search on kids' rooms, family rooms, and they have great different packages that you can buy from. I also own wall guides from Ariana Flaherty. She has some great wall guides and tutorials and things like that. So I own some from her and I own some from Shutterstock. This example is to show you how to work with Shutterstock. So here's the image from Shutterstock and it's just a JPEG. Now here's the image that I like that I want to put in. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to kind of just size the image over kind of the frame, and the best way to do that is just kind of reduce the opacity so you can see what you're doing. And I'm just going to do edit, transform, scale, and just reduce the opacity a little bit so I can see where it goes. Then I'm going to make it a little bit bigger, and I want to rasticize this layer so that I can easily clip it. Now I'm going to turn the opacity down so I can see what I'm doing, and I'm going to go to the actual image and I'm going to select where I want the image to be. I'm going to do select inverse, and I want to delete the excess. Click on the photo and hit delete. Now if I turn my opacity back up, you can see that the image is in there. You can also add a little drop shadow from going to layer style and just do a drop shadow. You can adjust the opacity, you can adjust the distance, and that way you can see just kind of how that image looks inside there. You turn it on, turn it off, save it as a PSD for a template so you can use it for another baby, and then save as and save it with a JPEG. And what's great about that is it gives your clients ideas of how to display their work.